Today, the man convicted of killing Michael Jordan's father, James Jordan, in 1993, had a hearing in Harnett County.
And while some thought this could be Daniel Green's ticket to freedom, it didn't turn out that way. WRAL's Amanda Lamb was in the courtroom.
Daniel Green was supposed to come here today for a hearing that could lead to a new trial. But instead, he asked the judge to fire his attorney, and he made his own oral argument. Attorney Chris Muma, who heads the North Carolina Center on Actual Innocence, still can't believe what happened inside the Harnett County Courthouse today.
Daniel gets very nervous when we get to these critical stages in his case, and I did not think he would go forward with it for sure. I thought when push came to shove, he would realize that we were fighting very hard for him, and we're very committed to his case, and that he would keep our representation.
Muma has worked on Daniel Green's case for more than 6 years. Green fired her, citing conflicts between them. Muma says the most recent conflict involved him wanting to hold his prior attorneys and prosecutors criminally liable for errors made in the case.
He wanted sanctions against them, and I told him that our representation was to represent him post-conviction, try and get him home, try and get him a new trial, get his freedom.
Green says he did not kill James Jordan, but admits to helping his co-defendant, Larry Demery, dispose of his body. Green made a 30-minute off-the-cuff, often rambling argument that he admitted he was not prepared for.
So there were these little glimmers where he hit on the law, but there was a lot of it that was completely unrelated to where we are at this point in time in his case.
Muma says she still stands behind Green.
I remain committed to Daniel's case. I'm sorry he made the decision he made. I think it was the wrong decision.
In response to Green's argument, the state only argued for about 5 minutes, and now the judge will take it under advisement and rule at a later date whether or not Daniel will get an evidentiary hearing. Amanda Lamb, WRAL News, Harnett County.
Wow, what a stunning development there. Daniel Green's case, by the way, is the subject of WRAL's podcast, hosted by Amanda Lamb, called Follow the Truth. You can listen wherever you get your podcasts. Capitol Broadcasting also produced a 5-part documentary about the murder case called Moment of Truth, which you can watch on Amazon Prime or its free streaming service.